Today we are going to learn about principles of object-oriented programming. Before that, we are going to discuss about software crisis. Development in software technology is continually to be dynamic. New tools and technologies were emerged day-to-day life. Software engineers are forced to new approaches and then they are facing many challenges to design a new software and develop new software. This increase more complexity as well as increase competitive nature in software industry. And also several crises were available. For example, how to represent real life entities problems, how to increase reliability, how to increase extensibility of modules, how to develop modules, how to improve the quality of software, how to reduce the cost of making software, how to make modifications in design to software, and how to complete the design of software within the time schedule. Like that, several crises were emerged. Due to this crisis, many technologies are emerged and also we facing many problems and difficulties in making programming and learning programming languages. Let's see here. This diagram defines the US defense projects with its project value. இப்போ பார்த்தோன்னா இங்கே வந்து ப்ராஜெக்ட் வேல்யூஸ் நம்ம கொடுத்துருக்காங்க, இங்கே நம்பர் ஆஃப் ப்ராஜெக்ட்ஸ் கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. இப்போ ஒரு ப்ராஜெக்ட் வந்து நம்ம $3.5 வந்து கொடுத்துருந்தோம் அப்படின்னா அதை வந்து அவங்க பெய்ட் பண்ணுறாங்க, பட் ரிசீவ் பண்ணிக்க முடியல. இதுவே 2 ப்ராஜெக்ட்ஸ் வந்து $2.5 நம்ம பண்ணும்போது அது டெலிவர் ஆகுது, அந்த ப்ராஜெக்ட் டிசைன் பண்ணி கொடுத்துட்றாங்க, பட் அதை வந்து யூஸ் பண்ண முடியல. இதுவே 3 ப்ராஜெக்ட்ஸ் தேர்ட் ஒன் பார்க்கும்போது ஒரு $1 வந்து அவங்க வாங்கியிருக்காங்க. அப்போ என்னென்னா ரீஒர்க் பண்ண வேண்டியதாக இருந்தது. அதுக்கப்புறம் இதே 4 ப்ராஜெக்ட் அப்படின்ட்டு வரும்போது பார்த்தோன்னா அதை வந்து சேஞ்சஸ் பண்ணதுக்கப்புறம் அவங்களால அதை வந்து யூஸ் பண்ண முடியும். அதே மாதிரி ரொம்ப லீஸ்ட் அமௌண்ட்டுக்கு நம்ம வாங்க ப்ராஜெக்ட் தான் எப்படி இருக்குன்னு பார்த்தோன்னா டெலிவர் பண்ண முடியும், யூஸ் பண்ண முடியுது. ஸோ லீஸ்ட் அமௌண்ட் ப்ராஜெக்ட்ஸ் ஆர் மஸ்ட் பெட்டர் தேன் எக்ஸ்பென்சிவ் ப்ராஜெக்ட்ஸ். So there will be several crises in software development. Some quality issues are given here. Correctness, maintainability, reusability, openness and interoperability, portability, security, integrity and user friendliness. These are all belongs to quality issues because these are all considered to be very important quality for designing a software and using of your software. If there is any issues arise in these qualities, definitely that software will going to be failed. See evaluation of software. In early period 1,0, it means the binary values 1 and 0 are only used for languages. Then it is increased and developed as machine language. Machine language means whatever we give as input, it is converted into machine language that is understandable by computer, and then assembly language is developed. Assembly language means it consists of mnemonics. For example, if you want to sum 3 numbers, add, and then numbers are given as mnemonics. And if you want to multiply any 2 numbers, the keyword mul will be given and 2 numbers will be given to do the task. And then it is developed as procedure-oriented language. Procedure-oriented means step-by-step instructions must be given as an algorithms, and then it will be developed into programming. And then it is developed as object-oriented. The difference between procedure and object-oriented means in procedure-oriented language, all the tasks are depends on function, but in object-oriented, it contains several tasks and it is divided as objects, and objects must be created for every module, and then only that module will be used. Based on the evaluation of software, the programming techniques are divided into 4 categories: modular programming, top-down programming, bottom-up programming, and structured programming. Modular programming means the program will be converted into modules and executed as per priority. Second one is top-down programming. It means the execution starts from the top of the program and as per the instructions it goes down. And in bottom-up programming, the execution starts at the bottom of the program, and as per the instructions and the steps given, that it moves to top. And then structured programming. Structured programming means the program will get execute as per the instructions given as algorithms, and it contains some structure. It means இப்போ நம்ம கொடுக்கக்கூடிய அந்த ப்ரோக்ராம், அதாவது எழுதியிருக்கக்கூடிய ப்ரோக்ராம் இருக்கு இல்லையா, இதுக்கப்புறம் இதுன்னு ஒரு கண்டினியூட்டி இருக்கும்ல, அந்த கண்டினியூட்டியை பேஸ் பண்ணி என்ன பண்ணியிருப்பாங்கன்னா அந்த ப்ரோக்ராமிங்கை எழுதியிருப்பாங்க. ஸோ இன் ஆப்ஜெக்ட் ஓரியன்டட் ப்ரோக்ராமிங், இட் இஸ் கன்சிடர்ட் டு பி அன் அப்ரோச் டு ப்ரோக்ராம் ஆர்கனைசேஷன் அண்ட் டெவலப்மெண்ட் டு எலிமினேட் pitfalls. It means the object-oriented programming is considered to be an important approach to develop an software. For that, we use this, and it is essential to eliminate pitfalls. Then, and it is also considered to be a new way of organizing and developing easy programs. Let's see procedure-oriented programming. Conventional programming languages like COBOL, Fortran and C are considered to be a procedure-oriented programming language, and the main problem of procedure-oriented programming is sequence of things. Everything in the program will get executed by sequence only. That means, for example, consider a program. The execution will start by reading the program, by getting the inputs, and then calculating the steps given, and then printing the output. By this sequence, if there is any error occur in any step, the entire program will get error. And the programs are separated by using functions. Function is nothing but it is a list of instructions given to the computer to follow, organize, and these are gets into one group. Means some instructions are considered to be an one module, and it can be called as one function. And the procedure oriented programming language does not give model to real world entities. It cannot represent real world entities. This is the main problem occur in this. So only procedure oriented programming got failure. Here, these are the characteristics for procedure-oriented programming. First one is algorithms. It means the program will execute as per the instructions given. These instructions are called as algorithms, and the programs are separated as functions. It means larger programs are divided into smaller programs, and those smaller programs are called as functions. And the functions are used to share global data. It means the value given in one function can also be used in another function. That's what called global data. And the data can move openly. It means the data can be moved freely from one function to another function. So the variables and the values we use can be used at anywhere in the program. Then the transformation of data from one function to another function is also be possible, and also it is easy way to transfer data. And finally, it is considered to be a top-down approach. So only it can get execute and it will give output to us.